Who wants to hear all my sad stories? All my troubles of the day. Don't you just hate when your room service is 5 minutes late? What? The masseuse isn't available for a private massage by the pool? Devil's Lake Food. Food for thought and food for your tummy. Did you guess I'm not in North Dakota anymore? What was your first clue? Man, I need a king size bed by the pool, not a little queen size. This is that Capri restaurant by the pool. Plenty of runners by the pool if you need something to drink or eat. They come around a lot. Got like day beds, stuff like that you can rent. Chicken wings, mixed green salad, add pecans. Oh, breakfast sandwich. That's that avocado toast. Breakfast sandwich. Avocado toast. Tell us something, Sue. Tell us something.
Me and Bill having breakfast at the pool. Finally got Bill close to the pool.
Hello, my friends. It's Bill Z from Devil's Lake Food. Food for thought, food for your tummy. It's getting to be nighttime here. This is the 30th floor where the room was. There'll be a room tour coming up soon. It's kind of like a Chinese dish, caramel chicken. We got it at the Grand Lux. Okay, we're walking in the room. Bathroom to the right here. Nice tub. Good shower. Place to sit down. Get ready. Toilet. You can make a phone call. When you do your business, you can do your business on that phone. That was my feet in the mirror. Oh, here's the room. Bed was good. Hello, there I am. Step there. You gotta watch that. I like when there's a place to sit. That's a electronic curtain to the outside view. Just a closet with a couple of robes.
So over that way is the airport, my friends. What we're looking at now. We're going over this way. We're going over this way. And then kind of in between those buildings, that's where the new Hard Rock guitar-shaped hotel is being built in the old Mirage spot. The good
There's
old
a-
Mirage, never to return.
I don't know, 8 pools, beef Wellington. I had